Hi everybody, this is Daniela Post. As all of you know, I am in Haiti on production, on location to really bring you some of the interesting stories that are happening in Haiti. Last week I actually was in Yogan and I actually uploaded a video about what I did there, but today we are in Jacmel. And the story I'm about to tell you is really about the power of social media, but particularly the power of Facebook and how Facebook can be used to really support some of the Haitians, whether they are entrepreneurs or technologists or they are really interested in tech, how the Haitian diaspora can support them. So just to give you a brief background of what happened a couple of months ago, a friend of mine sent a Facebook message and she basically requested, she had asked, she told me about the story of Johannes, how he went to school for carpentry. He got his certificate and he only had about 2 tools, but he needed more because he's thinking of wanting to start a little business in the community so he can actually serve the Jacmel area. So he had a friend send a message on Facebook asking if anybody had any tools, used tools that they could actually donate. And as soon as I saw the message, I quickly copied and pasted into a quick message to to all of my friends on Facebook. And within less than a day, somebody responded. A friend of mine responded, and she said, "Daniela, I want to help." And after I gave her all the information she needed, she right there and then ordered she went online to Lowe's and actually ordered all these amazing products. They were worth about $400. And I told her if she can get them to me, I will make sure that they are shipped to Haiti. And sure enough, within 3 days, I received the box and I sent them about a few days later. So this is a young man that's actually getting all of this, and now he's ready to start his business. He's ready to expand his carpentry business in Haiti. In fact, where I am standing here, I'm actually at a school. One of my friends who has the school here, and he's actually the lead carpenter. He's fixing doors, he's actually working and he's getting ready to use the tools. So I just want to sit down for a few minutes to talk to him about what this means for him. And I do want to say, Kira, thank you so much. I know you don't want me to say your name, but I have to thank you. Kira Levy, she was amazing in the way she was very quick and she was very efficient and really helping me to help this young man. So I want to say publicly, thank you so much. Hi everybody, so I'm here with Johannes. Johannes is a carpenter. He's also a small business owner in Jacmel, Haiti. And these are the tools that a friend of mine on Facebook actually sent for him to start his business. So I wanted to basically get a chance to talk to him and ask him. This interview is going to be in Creole, by the way, because he doesn't speak English, so I want to make sure that I let you know. And then I'll do some translation, after. So bonjour Johannes. Comment est-ce? So parlez-moi de qui l'heure où tu es allé à l'école pour charpentier, c'est ça? Et puis, dans quelle façon que tu viens faire connexion avec Jackie et pourquoi tu es capable de joindre genre de outils ça. Parlez-moi un petit peu de vous-même.
C'est Johannes. Je veux dire, mais tout le monde me voit. Moi, j'étais allé dans l'école qui est supportée par la Fédération espagnole, mais c'est pour l'État haïtien aujourd'hui.
D'accord.
Le ministère de la Culture, l'école atelier de Jacmel, l'AG. C'était en 2011. Que nous étions allés dans l'école en 2011-2013. Nous en 2013, j'ai eu un diplôme de l'État, tout ça. Mais après ça, je travaille, mais pas en pile, parce que à cause des outils, tout ça, je travaille, mais pas vraiment, parce que je ne pas ici. tu as supposé jouer du travail, ou capable de faire l'argent plus, on va capable prendre, on va capable prendre parce qu'il va gagner assez outils pour ça. C'est ça.
D'accord. Mais kounya là, qui ça va dire dans quelle façon pour commencer à grandir ce business là parce que nous connaissons que même là quand travail jeudi travail dans l'école là on va vidéo construire de travail dans l'école. So parlez de ça un peu, qu'est-ce que ça va aider à faire? Et puis montrer dis-nous quel genre de outils ça est.
OK, ça c'est un grinder.
OK.
Ça c'est un grinder qui est capable d'utiliser à chaque fois que moi fini construire ça que je construis capable parce que grinder il est capable de participation qui belle. Ça c'est un grinder, c'est comme ça va vous avec avant pas de bien, il était très difficile. C'est que vous besoin de traiter dans nos amis ou sinon besoin de louer une. Ça veut dire que si vous louez une, on va faire un peu de temps avec lui parce que vous devez payer chaque jour, ça va vous apporter.
Et combien de fois vous êtes capable de faire comme ça en Haïti?
Ça va dépendre de quel côté. Si c'est bons amis, il y a pas un problème. Mon capable de 250 gouttes pour jour. Si vous avez besoin d'huile, si c'est un ami, il y a pas un problème, mon capable de 100 gouttes. Mais si les bons amis ont besoin de travailler avec lui, il ne capable de pas prendre un du tout. Si il a travail, il est obligé de retourner, il finit lui-même, pour qu'il ait le parce que la nous avons ça, c'est une 6 sauteuses. Il est capable de faire acte de sec. Ça, c'est que vous pouvez couper en haut.
Ça, c'est pour boire ou c'est juste pour
boire?
Pour boire.
Ça, c'est pour boire, oui. Si on va faire un sec, c'est avec ça. Ça, je suis sûr que c'est un outil pour que le papa d'écrire sous bois. Je devais fabriquer une version sur Internet, mais ça me vraiment content parce que je devais fabriquer. On est qui je vais faire une fabriquer.
Tu vas produire pour compter.
Je pensé à ça.
Back when I said to Nkaba, I don't know if everybody can see it, but he was actually gonna try to see if he can produce this by hand, but it would have taken him so long. So he's extremely excited that he actually received this. So that's really good.
Ça c'est aussi ça vraiment important parce que ils vendent cher en pile là. Très important.
They make ça là et de quoi vous capable
ça c'est un souci qu'il est capable couper, il est vraiment important parce que tout le monde va gagner et ils vendent cher en pile Haïti, ça va l'aider en pile.
Yes. Bon, merci. Bon, Kika, Levi, thank you so much. It is simply because of you. You were not thinking about money. You just he didn't really need money. Really, what he needed was just the opportunity to have the tools so he can actually, make a living. And I think we all can do that. It doesn't always have to be money, but it's really looking for the opportunities to find out what are some of the resources that we have that we can actually support the Haitians here. Because almost every other Haitian here is a small business owner, and he's ready to take off, and he's not gonna need aid. He's not gonna need any help from the government. He's not going to need any help from anyone else because he has a degree. I mean, he has a degree and he has a skill, and he's getting ready to use that skill to basically live in Haiti. So, Kika, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys soon.
Merci un peu. Merci un peu, Kika, pour ça. Ça va l'aider un peu. que Daniel a dit, pas besoin de tant aide gouvernement ou sinon juste voulez quitter Haïti, aller on autre côté, par bateau, quand il y a un peu de arriver. Mais ça va l'aider un peu. Merci.
Thank you everybody.